An open and bright house. These were the desires of the family of 5 for the float and fold house designed by Architecture.SEED. Thus, this house emerges as a celebration of transparency and interconnectedness in the charming village of Punnayurkulam, Thrissur district, India. That plot is situated between 2 houses owned by brothers. The main challenge was the secluded nature of the plot, where a substantial part was allocated for the access road from a main road shaded by trees, creating a welcoming atmosphere and gradually revealing the house as the visitor approaches. The application of the 3-axis concept at entry points generates anticipation of what is to come, offering glimpses of the landscape. The house is characterized by its irregular volumes and playful bands of lights and shadows. The irregular volumes became an innovative experiment, adapting the house's aesthetics with its elevated volumes to the humid environment. Large overhangs protect against heat and rain. The ground floor hosts a master bedroom, guest bedroom, living spaces, dining room, and kitchen, with a skylit courtyard as the focal point. The design adopts a 4-wing planning approach, distinguishing spaces based on their privacy needs. A water feature adjacent to the living room and courtyard enhances natural ventilation and cool breezes. Despite the open and interconnected layout, privacy remains ensured, maintaining the intimacy each space requires. The staircase contributes to understanding the different levels, improving visual connections. It connects to the private areas of the house on the upper floor and a small studio. It becomes almost hidden, with niches and areas for resting. Continuous interaction and visual connection are achieved through intermediate levels on the staircase landing, reaching double heights and incorporating the essence of the house. Material selection plays a key role, with beige flooring complemented by polished black granites. White walls with wooden frames and gray walls also create a cohesive aesthetic. Externally, gray tandoor stone defines the access road. In accordance with the principle form follows function, this house consciously blends nature and climate with functional spatial arrangements. The floating and enfolding volumes create a serene atmosphere, embodying the perfect union of form and function. The name itself encapsulates the essence of a contemporary house that combines planes and floating cubes in a picturesque fusion of modern aesthetics and life in action.